For example, isobutyric acid is given. Potassium, 4 carbon acid, butyric acid. మనం ఏమన్నా మిథైలేట్ సెకండ్ కార్బన్ అంటే isobutyric acid. Okay na? Here you have to take how many? 2 moles of this one. In exam they will give only 1 mole. But Kolb's electrolysis అనగానే మనం 2 moles తీసుకోవాలి. You have to take 2 moles. You have to take 2 moles Anna. Okay na? 2 moles. ఇప్పుడు ఏమనుకున్నాం కంప్లీట్లీ yesterday? Removal of COK. Removal of COK. Remaining ఇక్కడ ఏముంది here? What is that? This is isopropyl group. Here also what is there here? This is also isopropyl group. Okay, 2 isopropyl. Now new connection between isopropyl and isopropyl. That is answer CH3, CH here CH3. This is one isopropyl group. This is one. Now what happened in between these two? New bond. So numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a 2, 3. 2, 3 dimethyl butane. ఇది ప్రోడక్ట్. ఇంకా మనం RH isopropyl group కి propane plus propene. Propane plus propene. So these two are minor product, but major is a 2, 3 dimethyl butane. Okay na? Like this. So 2 moles you have to take. Remember, if both are present in same molecule, for example, COOK, careful ga vinali, COK, both are present in same molecule. Here will take only 1 mole. One mole. Then student జాగ్రత్త చూడండి నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాం. ఏం చేద్దాం? We have to remove this one. We have to remove this one. Then you will get answer CH2. Due to COK removal, here free radical, here free radical. Therefore tell me Nana, what happened? This is carbon dioxide released, AOH released, hydrogen gas released. Free radical. ఈ above example ఏమో isopropyl connection. Why? Because both R groups are different. Isopropyl group. But here both are within the molecule. Here CH2, CH2. This is CH2. Both are within the molecule. Then here free radical and free radical. That's why immediately single electron become bond. Finally what happened? Ethene. Like this. Here alkene, not alkane. Remember Nana, here alkene is the major product. And in Kolb's electrolysis we are getting alkane as well as alkene. CH2COOK. CH2COOK, here CH3. Then subjected to Kolb's electrolysis. What is our answer? Same. Removal of this. Removal of this. Wherever we are removing COO, at that place, what happened here? Free radical environment. Here free radical, here free radical. That is only we'll write here. CH3, CH double bond CH2. Here propene is the major product. Remember propene. Alkene వస్తుంది అంటే both COH groups are within the molecule. Both acid particles are in same molecule. Then you are getting unsaturated. For example, like this. Here this is removed. Here this is removed. Both are removed means what is the product? Here alkene is the major product. Okay na? Sometime unsaturated acid. ఒకవేళ సబ్స్ట్రేట్ లోని ఇలా అన్సాచురేషన్ సిస్ ఐసోమర్ దీన్ని ఏమన్నాం? మేలిక్ యాసిడ్, మేలియేట్, కోల్బ్స్ ఎలక్ట్రోలైసిస్. ఇంకోటి ట్రాన్స్ ఐసోమర్ ఏమన్నాం? ఫ్యూమరిక్ యాసిడ్. whenever two COH groups are opposite, trans isomer అన్నాం. దాని ఏమన్నాం? ఫ్యూమరిక్ యాసిడ్, ఫ్యూమరేట్, ఫ్యూమరిక్ యాసిడ్, ఫ్యూమరేట్. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్. హియర్ ఆల్సో రిమూవల్ ఆఫ్ COOK, removal of COOK. Then what happened, Anna? Here hydrogen C double bond CH, H C, already double bond here H. Due to removal, you are getting extra, means you will get acetylene, ethine. Same fumaric acid also given, removal of these two. So here maleate or fumarate, whatever is given, maleate or fumarate, whatever is given, but answer is acetylene. Like this, whenever carboxylic acids are given, carboxylic acids are given, Nana, then Kolb's electrolysis means we'll get RR. If both are present in same molecule, then we'll get alkene or alkyne. Okay, so that is about Kolb's electrolysis. Next one, same decarboxylation. Decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide. Decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide. Here we'll apply main important soda lime. Soda lime means sodium hydroxide plus calcium oxide. Sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide mixture is called as soda lime. Anywhere soda lime is given, that is a base. No reduction action, directly removal of carbon dioxide. Why? Carbon dioxide is acid. NaOH is what? Base. A reaction, acid base reaction. A reaction, acid base. Carbon dioxide is acid, NaOH base. You know, acid plus base means we'll get salt. Therefore, here mainly carboxylic acid or carboxylic acid salt. Anyone is given directly. So directly I'm taking here RCOOH, soda lime. Immediately you have to remove carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide and NaOH will get sodium carbonate, salt. Sodium hydroxide, carbon dioxide, sodium hydroxide, calcium oxide, soda lime, removal of carbon dioxide. Okay, now when a carbon dioxide removed, what is the remaining thing? Here R group is left, here hydrogen. Therefore, our main product is RH. That's all. Like this, whenever, remember, decarboxylating agent, they will ask question. Soda lime is the decarboxylating. Wherever soda lime is given, ఎక్కడైనా గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. Soda lime ఇవ్వగానే మనము think about removal of carbon dioxide. Think about removal of carbon dioxide, Nana. Removal of carbon. Same thing here. That's why acid converted to alkane. For example, here acetic acid, soda lime. Then what is our answer? Just a removal of carbon dioxide that releases as sodium carbonate. Then main product is a methane. Methane. Okay. Similar way, propanoic acid. Okay. Now here soda lime is given. Then tell me an answer. Here removal of carbon dioxide. Then what is the main here ethyl group and H. Therefore our answer CH3, CH3, ethane. Ethane. Propanoic acid. Okay, now similar way, isobutyric acid is given. Soda lime. Isobutyric, here removal of carbon dioxide. I am taking isobutyric acid. Propane. Okay. Now cyclohexane carboxylic acid, soda lime, Nana. Then what is our answer? Here also removal of carbon dioxide. Then our answer cyclohexane. For example, benzoic acid is given. Answer. Here also removal of carbon dioxide. We'll get benzene. Similar way, phenyl acetic acid. Benzene is phenyl 2-carbon acid, acetic acid. Then tell me, Nana, what is our answer? Here also removal of carbon dioxide. Then toluene. Then toluene. Okay, na? For example, here COH, here removal. Ethyl benzene. Like this decarboxylation. Soda lime is there. Soda lime. Soda lime is given removal of carbon dioxide. Okay. So that is about from carboxylic acid. Next one important reaction, Clemmensen reaction. One more similar reaction is there, Wolff-Kishner reduction. Two different reaction, but you will get same product. In Clemmensen reaction, reagent is a zinc amalgam by constant HCl. Zinc and magnesium, mercury nana. Whenever two metals are there, that is called as alloys. Two metals are there, alloys. But out of that, one is mercury. One of the metal is mercury. Then the name is amalgam. One of the metal is mercury, then the name is amalgam. Here, zinc plus mercury is there. That's why this is called zinc amalgam. Name. If this is the reagent is given, reaction name Clemmensen. Other one is NH2NH2. NH2NH2 called as hydrazine. Name. NH2NH2 both are there. Then the name is called as hydrazine. Here the reagent hydrazine in presence of KOH and heat is given. Then the reaction is Wolff-Kishner. Then the reaction is Wolff-Kishner. Zinc amalgam by constant HCl is given Clemmensen. Names I am writing. Then if reactions are given, what happened? In Clemmensen reaction, any aldehyde is there, that aldehyde converted to alkane. Carefully observe. This is the aldehyde group. This aldehyde group is converted to alkane nana, CH3. The anywhere aldehyde is converted to alkane. That is Clemmensen. Next, ketones are given. Ketones are given here. This keto group converted to alkane. Keto group converted to alkane. Aldehyde to alkane, ketone to alkane. Okay. And here alcohols are given. This OH group. Here alcohol is there. That is converted to alkyl chloride. These are the changes. Whenever Clemmensen reaction is given, Clemmensen reaction is there. Aldehyde converted to alkane, ketone converted to alkane, alcohol to chloride. Only these three remaining are not affected. Similar Wolff-Kishner. Here also aldehyde is given. Aldehyde converted to alkane. Here this is aldehyde group. And this aldehyde group converted to alkane nana CH3. Reagent, remember, hydrazine by KYH. Hydrazine by base. Similar way, ketone is given. Ketone also converted to alkane. Here keto group converted to alkane. Wherever change is there, I am writing very clearly. Roundup is there. That is only change. Remaining are not affected. Remaining are not affected, Nana. But here alkyl halides are given. That alkyl halides are converted to alcohol. Cl is there now. In place of Cl, you have to write OH. That's all. These are the changes. First reaction, Clemens adduction. Second reaction, Wolff-Kishner. Clemens means how will identify based on reagent and substrate. Here reagent, zinc amalgam by constant HCl. Zinc amalgam by constant HCl. Wolff-Kishner, hydrazine by base. Wolff-Kishner, hydrazine by base, Nana. Aldehyde, ketone. Now we'll write example. CH3CHO, estaldehyde. Estaldehyde. Reagent, zinc amalgam by constant HCl. Second reagent, hydrazine by base and heat. Now tell me answer. So just we discussed here aldehyde converted to alkane, Nana. Aldehyde to alkane. 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 What is the product here mainly? Ethane. So aldehyde converted to alkane. We are preparing alkanes now. We want alkane here. So from carbonyl compound also we are preparing aldehyde ketone. Next example here. Propanaldehyde is there. Reagent, zinc amalgam by constant HCl. Hydrazine by base. Tell me an answer. Here whatever aldehyde group is there converted to alkane. Here the main product, propane. Here also what is the main product? Propane. Propane only. Similar way, isobutyraldehyde. Okay. First CR, Clemens adduction. WKR, Wolff-Kishner adduction. The reagent place lo name rasanu. Then tell me here this aldehyde group. That aldehyde converted to alkane, Nana. This is converted to alkane, isobutane. isobutane. Okay na? Isobutane. Similar way, cyclopentane carbaldehyde. Cyclopentane carbaldehyde. Okay, same here, Clemens reaction, here Wolff-Fischer reaction. What happened na? Here the aldehyde converted to CH3. Just methyl cyclopentane, methyl cyclopentane, methyl cyclopentane and methyl cyclopentane. Okay na? Sometime you can take aromatic aldehyde, benzaldehyde. I am taking different examples. Clemens reaction, Wolff-Fischer. Tell me an answer. This aldehyde converted to alkane. CHO converted to CH3. What is your answer? Toluene, methyl benzene. Here also toluene. Okay, like this anywhere aldehyde. Now I am taking ketone. For ketone also, Clemens reaction, Wolff-Fischer, Nana. Then what happened here? Keto group, CO group. Keto group, this is CO. Keto group, converted CH2. Therefore, our answer CH3, CH2, CH3. Here also answer propane. In both cases, same. Keto group converted to CH2 group. Like this, Wolff-Fischer or Clemens reaction is given. Keto groups also converted to alkane, Nana. Clemens reaction, Wolff-Fischer. So here also what is our answer? Same. Here keto group converted to alkane, CH2. Cyclohexane, here also cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. Okay na? Similar way, aromatic ring ketone, anything I am taking, all types. Here also Clemens reaction, Wolff-Fischer, Nana. CO group converted to CH2. Ethyl benzene. Ethyl benzene. Here keto group is given. I am taking cyclic, non-cyclic. Different way. Here keto group is there. Here. So that is also reduced to alkane, Nana. This aromatic ring does not disturb. That retains its own aromatic character. Only this portion alkane part, this portion alkane. Like this, Clemenson, remember Clemenson. Clemenson reduction is there. Aldehyde ketone to alkane nana. Wolff-Kishner is given. Same. Aldehyde to alkane. Ketone to alkane. Okay, na? So like this here, Clemenson reduction application, Wolff-Kishner applications are very important. Next reaction, HA by phosphorus reduction. HA by phosphorus reduction. Okay, na? So in this case, HA here also same. Alkyl iodides are converted to alkane. Reduction on hydrogen. Similar way, alcohols are there. This alcohol converted to alkane. Alcohol. Aldehydes are given. Here aldehyde also converted to alkane. Aldehyde to alkane, nana. Not only that, keto group is given. Ketone also converted to alkane. Now carboxylic acid. Here also acid to alkane. So like this here, different alkyl iodides, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, okay. These all are converted to alkanes. I am writing very clearly which are affecting groups. Which are affected here, we are writing very clearly. Okay. Now example. Acetaldehyd, HA by phosphorus. HI. Then what happened here? Aldehyde converted to alkane. Simple answer is ethane. Propanaldehyde. Same here, aldehyde to alkane. Okay, na? Acetone. Acetone to propane. Function group affecting I am writing. HA by phosphorus. Cyclohexanone. Cyclohexane. Ethyl alcohol. Ethane. Isopropyl alcohol. Propane. Cyclohexanol. Propane. Like that here, different function groups are given. Those function groups also affected. those function groups also affected. Okay na? So by using HI phosphorus also we can prepare alkane. So last one, hydrolysis of aluminum carbide, beryllium carbide. General thing these are, whenever aluminum carbide is given subjected to hydrolysis, water is given, normal thing this is CH, C is there no C, that is converted to 3 moles of methane and remaining is aluminum hydroxide. Simple, that's all. If here instead of normal water, heavy water is given, there here CH4 is there, but here D is there. Here hydrogens are there, here deuterium. Therefore 3 moles of deuteromethane. Deuteromethane. Remaining Al, OD taken 3. అంటే వాటర్ డ్యూటీరియం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ హైడ్రోలసిస్ జరుగుతుందని చెప్పడానికి రాశాను ఇక్కడ డ్యూటీరియం. సరేనా? బెరిలియం కార్బైడ్ సేమ్ వాటర్, heavy water. Here also methane plus beryllium hydroxide, methane plus deuteromethane. Beryllium hydroxide. So these are the general preparation methods of the alkane. మనం చాలా రియాక్షన్స్ రాసుకున్నాం నాన్న. డిఫరెంట్ వేలో ఆల్కేన్ ప్రిపరేషన్ అనుకున్నాం. ఆల్కేన్ ప్రిపరేషన్స్ ఏమేమి అనుకున్నాం చెప్పండి. ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్కీన్ అండ్ ఆల్కైన్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ హైడ్రోజనేషన్. సెకండ్ రియాక్షన్ ఏమనుకున్నాం? ఫ్రమ్ గ్రిగ్నార్డ్ రియేజెంట్. థర్డ్ ఏమనుకున్నావు నాన్న? రిడక్షన్ ఆఫ్, అన్ని మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రాస్తున్నా, రిడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్కైల్ హాలైడ్. ఫోర్త్ వన్ ఏమనుకున్నాం? వుడ్స్ రియాక్షన్. ఇంకా ఏమున్నాయి? వుడ్స్ ఫిటిక్. ఇంకా ఫిటిక్. ఇంకా ఏమనుకున్నాం? కులమాన్ రియాక్షన్. ఇంకేమనుకున్నాం? ఫ్రాంక్లాండ్ రియాక్షన్. ఇంకా కోల్బ్స్ ఎలక్ట్రోలైసిస్. నెక్స్ట్ డీకార్బాక్సిలేషన్ కదా. నెక్స్ట్ క్లెమెన్స్ రిడక్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ వోల్ఫ్-కిషన్ రిడక్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ HI phosphorus hydrolysis. These are the general preparation methods. అన్ని నేమ్స్ ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ రాసి పెట్టినా. All names are there. కదా C double bond C. First one hydrogenation అనుకున్నాం, catalytic hydrogenation అనుకున్నాం, catalytic hydrogenation. తర్వాత గ్రిగ్నార్డ్ రియేజెంట్ యాక్టివ్ హైడ్రోజన్ తో రియాక్షన్. రిడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్కైల్ హాలైడ్. రిడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్కైల్ హాలైడ్ రియేజెంట్ ఎవర్రా? H2 by catalyst, sodium ethyl alcohol, zinc by acid or base, zinc copper coupled by ethyl alcohol, lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, trialkyl tin hydride. And we discussed with many examples. Number of examples are there. Next one, Woods reaction. Woods reaction means alkyl halide, sodium metal. Alkyl halide, sodium metal. Here symmetrical alkanes are important. Remember that. అందులో ప్రైమరీ గుడ్ ఈల్డ్, టెరిషరీ నాట్ గుడ్ ఈల్డ్ అన్నాం. తర్వాత క్రాస్డ్ వుడ్స్ రియాక్షన్, ఇంటర్నల్ వుడ్స్ రియాక్షన్ కూడా రాసుకున్నాం. క్రాస్డ్ వుడ్స్, ఇంటర్నల్ వుడ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రాంక్లైన్ రియాక్షన్, వుడ్స్ ఫిటిక్. వుడ్స్ ఫిటిక్ లో ఎవరు? ఆల్కైల్ అండ్ ఎరైల్ రెండు ఉంటాయి అన్నాం. ఫిటిక్ లో ఓన్లీ ఎరైల్, ఉలమాన్ లో కూడా ఓన్లీ ఎరైల్. ఆల్రెడీ ఉలమాన్ ఓల్డ్ ఎంట్రన్స్ క్వశ్చన్, ఆల్రెడీ వాళ్ళు ఎగ్జామ్లు ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది ఇంత ముందే కదా. తర్వాత కోల్బ్ సెలెక్టలాసిస్, క్లెమెన్స్ అడక్షన్, వోల్ఫ్కిష్ అడక్షన్, HAY phosphorus and hydrolysis. These are the general preparation methods of the alkanes. Now we'll discuss about properties, physical properties and chemical property. Physical property, you know, which we can observe with our naked eye. Those properties are called as physical, which are observed by chemical reaction. Those are chemical properties. Now we'll discuss about properties, physical and chemical. Okay, so today we'll start.